Hey everyone! Today we're going to look at Richmond, as you can see by the screen that says Richmond Update. The sun is setting on this beautiful Richmond area as we fly over. There's tons of new houses getting built up. You can see over here, this is the western side. A lot of stuff going up, and there is definitely quite a bit of tilt wall construction over here. This is like the hot new area for construction. They were over in West DeLuna, and now they're over here in Richmond throwing stuff up. You can see the crane in the middle right there with all those flatbed green carts. That is that tilt wall construction. The crane picks them up, puts them over the slab. They tilt them up, and you can actually see right there how they kind of have it laid out. So you can see the layouts of the rooms, things like that, where they could just prop them up with them rods. This is a little Richmond Rec Center right in the middle. It's right at the end of the main road, the first exit south of Magasin when you come in. All these houses here at the top are also tilt wall that you see with no roofs. That's how you see that crane there putting all the walls into place. And then you have all the homes along the mosquito infested drainage pond. I'm just kidding. I don't know if it's mosquito infested or not. But they are putting that wall behind them homes along the swampy area there, along with the drainage ditch. And we're coming up on the Fortress of Solitude up here, where you see those trees. That is the spot I always point out where the person did not sell, and the villages, the developer kind of just walled them off, and they're right in the middle there. So some pretty cool stuff coming up. You do have the turnpike here on your right, and since the light was going down, you can see the Water Lily Bridge is kind of lit up. I will point out some stuff here. You do have Lake Okahumpka in your top left, and we're flying east right now, east kind of southeast a little bit, and you see the Richmond Pitch and Putt, which is all along the right side of the turnpike there. That way, if you really get into a golf ball, you can put one through someone's windshield on the turnpike. Challenge. You can see the turnpike runs just on the other side of the pitch and putt between the housing area there. And then coming up, you have the village of St. John right across Magasin. Magasin runs between St. John and Richmond, and it goes all the way out to Hawkins, St. Catherine, and those areas. The opposite side of the turnpike here is actually DeLuna. The Water Lily Bridge runs right into DeLuna, so you can see that. And we're kind of backing away, headed toward the north. The Lake Okahumpka Rec Center is on the opposite side, on the north side of St. John there. And we're going to turn toward the south, and we're looking toward DeLuna, West DeLuna. You got that motocross there in the background, that blue roof. And then you see you have West DeLuna right there, right basking in that beautiful sunset as the sun sets over the turnpike. Now we're headed north. This is toward Brownwood Town Square, and I'm going to show you Magasin. You can see it, but I will specifically point it out here for you, so if you don't know, Magasin again runs north and south in this area, just coming out of Brownwood. So if you were to take Magasin going the way we're flying right now, you would head right into Brownwood going this direction. Those two tall buildings in the middle top of your screen, that is the Brownwood Spa, where you can get massage and facials and all that fun stuff. This area here with the houses where the blue houses are, or blue houses, the blue roofs, that's where they were going to put the apartment building, and then decided against it for whatever. And then you have the Clarendon Rec Center right here in the middle on your left where you see the pool. And that is the big rec center with the sand volleyball courts and all of that kind of stuff. That's going to be going in. That is the big rec center, kind of like the Okahumpka Rec Center. They built this beautiful brick walkout thing for you here so you could walk out. That's where that hotel, or not hotel, the apartment was going to be. This is all new construction since the last time that I was over here, maybe 10 days ago or so. It's pretty quick how they get all these houses up. I'm gonna say probably they get these done and then you'll see more in Newell, which we already saw, or we took a look at just the other day. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. I'm gonna let you watch the rest. You can, after I tell you that you can see the foundations here. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.